So I don't have any presentation, but I have few very key points to suggest where the market is moving towards, how to address, the emerging threats which ma'am talked about. Sir talked about DAL, path, and virtualization. Ma'am talked about user databases and all that stuff. So what we at Juniper see, it has to be two-level approach. One is at the service provider level, which ma'am suggested has to be more responsible. Yes, and second at the enterprise, our house, our premises level. So at the service provider level, if you see, they are the enabler and they are being providing services to all of us. So any data which passes from one organization to another organization passes through obviously through service provider cloud, or maybe accessing their internet cloud. So that data has to be logged somewhere. So that's a big data that has to be logged on the basis of some parameters like maybe users, maybe on the basis of some valid IP. Valid IP, as we all know, it's a tag thing. It's not given to anyone. It's always tagged to someone. So if we have all those data with us, we can present that at the time to any legal agency, or can be used for ForceANIC, or can be correlated, can be presented to anyone. So that should be the responsibility at the service provider level. And that data has to be logged. That big data has to be logged. That big data has to be correlated. There are solutions available for it now. At the enterprise, or at our own house level, there are two types of approach. One is proactive, another is reactive. So reactive we have been doing firewall, IPS, maybe UTM. So we have been doing these from last many decades. The technology which is moving is toward more proactive, proactive response to the threats. So hackers, as we know, they are becoming more intelligent. They have many tools now. They have been using bots. They have been using different machines. They have been using multiple browsers, self-developed browsers, to access, whatever information we want to hide, our information. They want to steal that. They want to hack the sites. So there are mechanisms, there are tools available in the market, or available with us as well, solutions which are available with us, which can not only deceive the hackers, can profile the hackers, can database the hackers, and we can use all those information as we want. We can keep them engaged. We can give them some fake pages so that they are engaged and we can physically track them. We can profile them, so then if some same type of hacker comes through some different machines or through different bot or using some different tools, he comes to our site, we know that this is the type of hacker, like this is the type hacker which is coming to our site and he want to do whatever activities. We can keep him engaged, and maybe internal or external hacker, and react accordingly. So this will give us some type of proactive response. This will give us time to react. This will help us secure our information. So these are the two basic trends where Juniper is going towards. So that's what I want to present to the panelists as well as to the audience. Thank you.